There is so much to like about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I still believe it is the best, one of the best gear purchases I've made in like forever. Well, it comes with, depending on what you get, it comes with the DJI mic 2, which is phenomenal. But I wondered, can you hook up an external mic? Yes, you can. Look at this right here. So I'm actually using the Rode VideoMic Go 2 to record the audio right here. You can see it right there. And you may say, well, Kevin, why would you want to do that? Why not just go wireless? Well, you may be in a situation where you want a different setup. Now, here's the kicker. The Rode Wireless Go 2 comes with this cable right here. And if you notice the tip right there, I'll show it right there, you can't connect this to the Osmo Pocket 3, but you can connect the USB-C cable. And in fact, I'm not even using a special cable. This cable right here that I've got connected to the back of it is the cable that came with the Pocket 3. Boom! It plugs right in. Another reason I like this mic, not only do you have this port for the mic here, right here, but you also have this port right here. I don't know what this is doing to the audio, maybe screwing it up. And then I've just got the mic sitting on a little Manfrotto mini tripod stand. This is a cool way to do maybe podcasting, or you could do a vlog if you wanted to. I mean, I can get up and move around. I could literally walk around with this right here if I wanted to. It'd be kind of silly if I'm going to do that. Well, what about lighting? Well, right now I'm just being lit with a window, which is right here. In fact, I'll turn this. There's the window. I'm shooting the second shot on my iPhone, which I'll sync up in Final Cut Pro 2, or Final Cut Pro, which is really easy to do. This is a simple setup that gives you another option if you wanted a podcast. You can record different mics, so I could actually have somebody else using this, but this is a really different way of using the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 with an external mic. I just wanted to pop in to show you that, yes, Virginia, see what I did there? You can use an external mic with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It's huge, just absolutely huge. So what do you think? Let me know. Thanks for watching. Peace out, wherever you're watching. Can you hook up an external mic to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3? And you can. That wasn't smart at all, was it? No, it was not.